Hello, welcome back. Today, it's another day, it's another look. Today I'm using a palette, excuse me, a palette that was given to me by my daughter, and it's not an expensive palette. So we're going to do a different look with burgundies. Yeah, it's a burgundy. First off, do this bit. So if you've been keeping up with me, you'll know I had a CT scan on last Tuesday. Well, I got the results on Friday, and I have a hair. Why is it always the case? I get a hair. Anyway, I got the results, and it turns out I have a tumour in my right ear. And that doesn't mean that it's malignant, it's cancer or anything else. What it does mean is that over the years of constantly having severe ear infections, my eardrum has thickened and the tumour has grown. Okay, now this is the palette. I'll continue in a minute. This is the palette I'm using, and I'm going to put this colour, this colour all over the lid. So it's something that's been growing slowly over the years, and it's the reason why I have lost hearing in that ear. Now, the solution, I don't know. I've got to go and see an ear, nose and throat specialist and see what he or she can do. Could result in surgery, don't know. Could result in nothing being done. It's not like I'm young. Now I'm going to use this colour on the outside. So that's where we're at. It's fortunate that we've stopped travelling, because, bring that down a bit, we can get all our medical issues fixed while we're in one place. And it's worked out well because of the, that viral infection. How do we like that? Always do one higher than the other. If I don't make a mistake, I do one higher than the other. Okay, now, put that brush down. I might use that brush to blend. Pet peeve of mine, people that think an antibacterial solution will fix a virus. No, it only fixes bacteria. So having said that, now what am I doing? Do under eye first. Yes, we'll do under eye first. I just got my brushes over there. Now I'm going to use that outside colour to line underneath my eye. Hopefully it'll work out, otherwise I'll just look like I've been crying for a month. And then that will look ridiculous. So first of all, I'll use this smudge it out. Yeah. This one. Now why am I using the brush that way? It's supposed to be used that way. I've already put the colour on my lid. I'm spoiled for choice with mirrors here. I've got one in the middle here, a magnifying over here, and another mirror over here so I can see all sides. Plus I've got the mirror in my palette. So I'm confused as to which one I should be looking in. I don't know. I don't like that. We better clean that up. And this one. Now, having done what I just did, there's a lot of, well, there's one in particular, Robert Welch, who doesn't like you doing that. Cleaning up with the makeup wipe. He says to use concealer. Use whatever you like, whatever you feel comfortable with. And just because I do my eyes this way doesn't mean to say you have to do yours that way. That's the way it works. Now, on the inside, I did pick one out. This one here, I'm going to use. No, maybe the one next to it, that's a yellowy. I'll use this one here. Second one in. They do have names, but I can't see them without my glasses. Just to brighten that up a bit. And I still haven't figured out why people are going berserk about toilet paper. And we do have an entire state cut off from the rest of Australia, and that is Victoria. It will be closely followed by New South Wales, I think. We in Queensland are okay. Well, it's fortunate that we're here. I think that looks all right. Thinking, do I need to buff it in? Why not? Oh, what brush are you? You're a Morphe. Mascara, I'm using the Rimmel Wake Me Up, excuse me, mascara. Oops, nearly dropped. That would have been, although that top's black, that would not have been very clever. We all do it, don't we? Open our mouth to put mascara on our eyelashes. Did I just make a boo-boo? No. don't need it on the bottom. Yeah, I think I might put it on the bottom, but after I do my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows first. Just get that all over there, probably. Eyebrows is the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. Everybody can hear me scratching now. Lower lashes. That is nice, I like that. Say that every time I do my eyes. Oh, I like that. Shall we talk about the elephant in the room? Unbelievable. Again with the mascara, the makeup. There is a hair on it. I suppose better on there than on my eye. Buckley's chance of seeing it. Okay, blush. Yeah, blush. I'm using the Clinique powder blush in Smoldering Plum. I think in another video I called it original, but it's genuine. But it's not, it's Smoldering. One of the things with getting older, you move your face, you put blush on your face and the whole face moves. However, we all must age. Now, under eye, I'm using the Maybelline Dream highlighting. Dream Lumi it is. That's it there. Take it off. There. Wind it up. Pop it there. Right. This is a Jessup brush. Beautiful brushes. Those and Kabuki I like. Morphe I find to be a bit bristly. And as you know, when you've got, maybe you don't know, but as you get older, your skin loses its elasticity and becomes a little bit more, well, let's face it, it gets crepey. And you look, that's where the wrinkles come in. The skin sagging down the nose. Okay, lips. My usual Rimmel Exaggerate in the colour Addiction. Itchy nose. This is my Revlon, and I really like this one. I can't stress enough how much I like it. Is the Revlon Colorstay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick. It actually stays on, goes on like a gloss and stays on. Now another one of my pet peeves is lipstick on coffee cups. I hate it. This actually stays. When it dries up and it stays on your lips, it doesn't come off. So there we have it. That's the look. Do I need to do? No. Eyes looking good. There you have it. Would you like to see the eyes? There we have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Beautiful.